remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. As James Gunn's Superman trailer has given us a glimpse into the highly anticipated film, we see a tense confrontation between Lois Lane and Clark Kent, a glimpse of the menacing Lex Luthor, and of course the sharp-tongued Cat Grant. Um, you might recognize the actress playing Cat Grant from other DC Extended Universe films. But given her close working relationship with James Gunn, it's no surprise she's part of this project. Uh, she's Mikaela Hoover will be bringing the character to life. Cat Grant is a tenacious gossip columnist for the Daily Planet, a character we know and love from the comics. Uh, this role was previously played by Callista Flockhart in the Arrowverse, particularly on Supergirl Up and Pack. It will be interesting to see Hoover's take on the character. Um, in the comics, Cat Grant's relationship with Superman is complex. She is a colleague and sometimes potential love interest for Clark Kent, adding another layer to the dynamic between him and Lois Lane. Given Gunn's reputation for crafting compelling stories, I'm hopeful that Hoover's Cat Grant will play a significant role in the film. Uh, I think it would be a shame to have a character with such potential not be fully explored. It's time for Cat Grant to step into the spotlight. Hoover shared some insights into her character during an interview at the DC Studios showcase. She said that she was drawn to Kat's background as a gossip columnist and found parallels between her and the character. Uh, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Maybe Superman will take Cat Grant on a date sometime just to spice things up.